Today we're going to be working on the process to make changes to your curriculum, for example, your consolidated reader. The time frame for this is no later than 3 weeks before the start of your new term. From your My Class tab here in Blackboard, to your OLMP listing of courses, you want to find your course's template tester. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'll be using a practice template. So I go ahead and click on that course. Down the left-hand side where we've put all our lessons, we're going to click on the lesson that we want to update. In this case, the first lesson. And then you want to go down to your lesson material where your consolidated reader will be found and go ahead and click on that. All right. In your required lesson materials, again, we're going to be changing out our consolidated reader. And so the way to do that is to click on the single chevron here. Again, not the double chevron, but the single chevron. It gives you a pull down, and you want to click on Edit. All right, and then here in our content information, we have this editing and text box. Here's the link to the current consolidated reader, which we're going to replace. So what you want to go ahead and do is right-click on that, or you can highlight it. Let's try that one more time. Highlight. And we're going to remove the link. That just took the link out that we currently had. Then you're going to select the text by rolling your mouse over it. And we're going to click on Insert File. That gives me this pop-up. What we want to do is place our new consolidated reader in the proper place inside of the Blackboard content system. So we want to browse the content collection first. Using this breadcrumb menu at the top, we want to navigate to the correct folder to put the material. In this case, it's inside International Security. It's in Lesson 1, and it's part of my required materials. Now, I haven't put the new consolidated reader into Blackboard, so at this point I need to upload that file from my hard drive into Blackboard. So I come up here to Upload, select Upload Files. Then I can browse on my computer to find the correct file. In this case, it's the new NS1 consolidated reader. We open that. Now, since that file name didn't change, I need to make sure I select this box. That will overwrite the current file. Once that's populated, these are all the defaults and they are correct. We click Submit. And it may take a few seconds for Blackboard to pull the new content over, depending on your file size. All right, this now shows my new file in the Blackboard content system. That's correct. It's checked. That is your default. And you want to come down here and click Submit again. In this name of the link to the file, you'll want to type in how you want students to view it. So in this case, I'm just going to type in the course title, or excuse me, the lesson title. So National Security in a Changing World. Open in a new window should be checked yes. In general, that's how we want all our files to open up for students, is that it pops up in a new window. We've got the way we want it. We go ahead and click Submit. That shows us the new file. Once everything looks proper in this box, this is the final step, is to click Submit. We've now successfully edited that material, one thing you can do is just to come here and make sure that that your new file opens up and it's the correct one. Is over here. And that's the process. If you have any questions at all, please come down and see me. This concludes this lesson. Thanks.